10 must-have items for stress-free camping. Camping is an exciting adventure that allows you to connect with nature, but being unprepared can turn a great trip into a nightmare. Here are the top 10 must-have items to ensure your camping experience is enjoyable and stress-free. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. Tent. A quality tent is your home away from home. Look for one that suits your needs, whether for solo camping or a family trip. Ensure it's both waterproof and easy to set up for a hassle-free camping experience. Sleeping bag. A good sleeping bag will keep you warm and comfortable at night. Choose one that's rated for the season so you'll be snug, no matter the weather. Additionally, think about the shape and features. Resources such as hoods, draft collars, and zippers can enhance comfort, making those chilly nights much cozier. Sleeping pad. Remember to bring along a sleeping pad. It adds cushioning and insulation from the cold ground, making your nights much more restful. Portable camp stove. Cooking over an open fire can be fun, but having a portable camp stove takes the hassle out of meal prep. Choose a lightweight option that fits your camping style. It should be easy to ignite and allow for adjustable flame control, ensuring you can cook a variety of meals with ease, from boiling water to a complex gourmet campsite dinner. Cooler. A quality cooler keeps your food fresh and your drinks cold. Look for one that has good insulation and can withstand the elements. High-quality coolers come with features like tight sealing lids and durable handles, enabling you to easily carry them across challenging terrains. With a reliable cooler, you can enjoy fresh meals away from home, adding to the comfort and convenience of your camping adventure. First aid kit. Safety should never be compromised. A basic first aid kit should include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Multi-tool. A multi-tool is versatile and can save the day in countless situations, from food prep to quick repairs. Make sure it includes essential tools such as a knife, screwdriver, and can opener. Flashlight or headlamp. When night falls, having a reliable source of light is essential. Invest in a flashlight or headlamp with long battery life and adjustable brightness settings. Consider models that are waterproof and shock-resistant to withstand the unpredictable nature of outdoor activities. Choose a flashlight or a headlamp for hands-free convenience as you navigate your campsite. Water filtration system. Staying hydrated while camping is crucial. A portable water filtration system or water purification tablets will ensure you have access to clean drinking water. Camp chair. After a long day of hiking and exploring, you'll want somewhere comfortable to relax. A lightweight, foldable camp chair can make evenings around the fire much more enjoyable. Bonus tips. Check the weather. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. It may influence some of the gear you'll need. Pack smart. Lay out all your gear before packing to ensure nothing essential is left behind. Leave no trace. Practice good camping etiquette by cleaning up after yourself and respecting nature. By packing these must-have items, you're sure to have an excellent camping experience. Each item serves a specific purpose, helping you stay safe, comfortable, and prepared for whatever challenges nature might throw your way. With these essentials in your gear, you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying the great outdoors, spending time with friends and family, and making lasting memories. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.